In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by logging in to your Monday.com account. Visit the Monday.com website and enter your credentials. For a quicker sign-in experience, you can opt for the Google login option if it's available to you. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. Next, you'll need to select the specific board where you want to make these column adjustments. Boards are the central place where all your projects live, so find the one that is relevant to your current task. After you've opened your desired board, look to the right of your existing table columns. There, you'll see a plus sign or an Add Column button. Click on that to begin adding a new column. This is where you will start customizing your setup to better fit the needs of different groups within your team or project. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a new column will appear at the end of your current columns. The next step is to define the type of this new column. Click on the header of the newly created column and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Status. The Status column is incredibly versatile, allowing you to track the progress of tasks within various groups easily. Now that you've added a status column, it's time to customize it for your specific groups. This is a crucial step because customizing the status labels ensures that they align with the unique workflow phases of each particular group. For instance, you might want to label statuses as In Progress, Done, and Stuck. Tailoring these labels will give you a clear picture of where each group stands on their assigned tasks, making it easier for you to manage different projects or teams all hosted on the same board. One additional tip: make sure to communicate these status updates with your team. Encourage them to regularly update their progress and use the status labels you've defined. This will keep everyone on the same page and help in avoiding confusion about where each task or project currently lies in its workflow. Remember, the ability to customize columns and labels within Monday.com is one of the features that makes this platform so user-friendly and effective for project management. By making these adjustments, you're not just tracking progress, you're also fostering better collaboration and transparency within your teams. So to recap, log into your account, select the relevant board, add a new column by clicking the plus sign, choose the status type from the drop-down, and finally, customize that column to suit each group's workflow. By following these steps, you have now set up a more organized and efficient project structure on Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com.